today I just wanted to chat with you about my new keyboard, the Keychron K2. So this is my first impressions of the keyboard. I recently purchased it, ordered it through AliExpress. I've spent about 155 New Zealand dollar to get it here, shipped. It's a Keychron K2 and it's a little bit bulky. After a few minutes of using it, my hands gets a little bit tired, so I use this Hitachi keyboard just to get my feet a little bit riser a bit, or you call it a wrist rest. So I just kind of use it, my old keyboard, just to get my wrist settled for a bit. So far, the typing experience is pretty satisfying. You could really feel that you're pressing something, unlike my old keyboard, which is sketchy. I've been used to typing on my MacBook Pro 2016, which keyboard isn't really bad. So what else? No, build quality is really nice. It's just plastic, and I actually used it twice now, so I haven't had so much time using it. I've kind of got some few B-roll footage and just a talking headshot like this, and it just works fine in my opinion. It knows what it is. So, I actually really like that keyboard. In my opinion, one of the best keyboard in laptop. So yeah, let's get back on the Keychron K2. So the typing experience is really nice. You could really feel when you type on it, you feel that you're actually hitting the key. And if you made mistake, you also kind of know that you made mistake. So if you know what I mean. If I used to type on my Hitachi keyboard, I always made a mistake without knowing it. So it's just me. I don't know what else. I did get the non-RGB light because I don't give a fuck the RGB. I just like the RGB on my background and kind of warm tones and teal. So also didn't get the aluminum version because I don't see the value on it, in my opinion. It's just the keyboard to me. I'm not a keyboard fan. I just wanted to test it out. What's the hype with the mechanical keyboard in? This is my first mechanical keyboard, and the light is pretty good. There's some pretty funky effect that you could do. I just really like that it is like a kind of laptop experience. So I did get a 75% because the arrow keys, that's really important to me. I kind of use that too when I'm editing videos as well. And kind of like the Mac, whatever, F1, there's some light. You could adjust the light settings or the volume up and down, which is pretty good. I think I lost the recording. Hopefully it's still fine. So what else? No, build quality is really nice. It's just plastic, and I actually used it twice now, so I haven't had so much time using it. I've kind of got some few B-roll footage and just a talking headshot like this, and it just works fine in my opinion. It knows what it is. So I just kind of like to try on this keyboard, so just to get better on my editing, obviously on my productivity. If I'll get better on typing and whatever editing job I would do. So just kind of try to get on the Hive thing if the mechanical keyboard is really worth investing. So this is just my first impressions. Connecting it through my computer took me a while to figure it out, but once it's connected, it's not losing any connection. Even using on my Mac Mini M1, it's pretty good. I think it's reliable enough and pretty good. I can it's still pretty matte color after a couple of typings. I don't work all day except if I'm editing wedding film, so that's just me. So this Keychron K2 comes with instruction, comes with the cable, a braided cable. It also comes with the Windows keycap. This is actually shipped with Mac keycap, so it is compatible with Windows and Mac computer. USB-C to attach on the side and USB-A to attach it on your computer. It is really great to have that if you're using Mac. Sometimes the Mac disconnect, and when you reset the computer, you kind of need to have a wired connection, so you establish the connectivity. That's what I noticed with using this Mac Mini M1 chip. Pretty hard to get going when you first boot up the computer. It's just a pain in the butt. It is, but it is. If you have third-party keyboard, that's the thing with the Bluetooth connectivity. So yeah, I think it's pretty good keyboard for what it is, and I highly recommend trying it yourself as well if you're thinking to get started on mechanical keyboard. I know, guys, should I just buy a wrist rest or should I get the K2 as well? Let me know down in the comments below if you have any suggestions for me. Feel free to hit like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one, guys. Cheers.